Harnessing the power of the sun, solar panels have emerged as an innovative solution for generating electricity and powering homes. But how exactly do they work? Here's a simplified yet detailed explanation. Imagine the most important part of the solar panel system, the solar cells themselves. These cells, primarily made of silicon, form the core of the panel. When sunlight hits the solar cells, it excites electrons, causing them to move. This movement of electrons is what we know as electricity. Specifically, this process is a result of the photovoltaic effect, which converts sunlight directly into electric current. Now, let's delve into how these panels are structured. Multiple solar cells are connected together to form a solar panel. Typically, a single panel may contain around 60 to 72 solar cells. For a household system, several panels are mounted on the roof to form a solar array. This array is positioned in such a way as to receive maximum sunlight, usually facing south in the northern hemisphere. Once the sunlight is converted into electrical current, it doesn't go straight into your home appliances. The electricity generated is direct current, DC, but our homes use alternating current, AC. Here's where the inverter comes in. This crucial device converts DC into AC, making the electricity compatible with home use. The inverter is often located on one of the walls of the house, sometimes even integrated into the panels themselves. A key benefit of solar panels is that they not only generate electricity for immediate use, but can also produce surplus energy. This excess energy is sent back to the local power grid, thanks to a process known as net metering. Many utility companies offer credits for this surplus, which can be used to offset future electricity bills. A fantastic way to showcase how solar panels not only save money but can also generate returns. Moreover, solar panels can work beyond sunny days. While they are more efficient with direct sunlight, they can still generate electricity during cloudy weather or indirect sunlight. In fact, modern solar panels are designed with materials that can capture a wide range of solar wavelengths, ensuring efficiency even under less than ideal conditions. Beyond the technical details, adopting solar panels is also a significant step towards sustainability. By relying on solar energy, households reduce their dependence on fossil fuels, thus lowering their carbon footprint. This shift promotes cleaner air and combats climate change, making solar power an environmentally responsible choice. Lastly, maintenance of solar panels is remarkably simple. Typical systems require minimal upkeep as they have no moving parts. Regular cleaning of the panels to remove dust and debris, along with occasional checks by professionals, is generally all it takes to keep them functioning efficiently. In conclusion, solar panels are a remarkable fusion of technology and sustainability, transforming sunlight into a clean and renewable energy source for homes. By understanding how they work, homeowners can fully appreciate the profound impact these systems have, not only on their electricity bills, but also on contributing toward a greener planet.